What's going on, everybody? Welcome to JackSportsBreaks.com. Today is Thursday, February 4th, 2021. We're doing our 2020 Topps Holiday Baseball 10-box Mega Box break. Pick your team number 2. There are your 10 boxes, you can see. There you go. There's your 8 behind it. Who's got who? What's up, Matt? Who's got who? We got Chris H with the Rays, Danny V with the Jays, Derek C, Tigers and Rangers, Doug W, Red Sox, Dustin P, D-backs, Orioles, Marlins, Frank C, Braves, Frank R, Rockies, Pirates, Glenn G, Brewers, A's, Greg H, Mets, Phillies, Jesse K with the Mariners, Jonathan B, Cubs, Dodgers, Padres, Jonathan F, Angels, Yankees, Mark J with the Giants, Matt M Cardinals, Melvin D Nationals, Micah D Twins, Nelson O White Sox, Robert T Royals, and Todd D with the Reds, Indians, and Astros. Let's get ripping. Good luck, guys. And on the first 10 boxes, we pulled a Santa suit, which is pretty cool. Kershaw Santa hat was cool, but no autos, so let's see if we can start sneaking some autos in. Alright, first off, the ornament. Oh, nice one. There's your packs. There's your emptiness. First ornament, Mr. Luis Robert. There he is. And here are your packs. Good luck. I realized after doing it the first time, kind of trial by error. Hold on one second. We got Anthony Rendon, short print for the Angels. So the regular short prints are backwards like that, and then the ones that are slightly more short print are actually facing forward. So I just got to be a little bit more cautious. But nice short print there for the Angels. Wish they had all the short prints facing backwards, but grab what we can. You know, Travis Demarine. It's a metallic Seager. There he is. Looking forward. We got our hit in this one. We got a, for the Fish, orange jersey with the little stitching there. Eisen Diaz, Marlins. There you go, Marlins. Nah. Yachty, Jake Fraley, metallic for the Mariners. Got another SP, Eloy Jimenez, the scarf, going out to the White Sox. Sorry about Series 1, guys. That'll be up no later than tomorrow. Been a little busy. They are impossible to see because I'm catching them now because I want to. That's in the spot where the super short print would be. So, like that Chapman's metallic. So, just I'm doing it for my own benefit too, to make sure I'm not missing something. Verlander, we got Gosselin, regular, yeah, I think this is all base pack. Two short prints, it's about right per pack. Metallic McKay, that's a nice one for the Rays. Trout candy cane bat, facing forward, nice. SSP. Very nice. I think the regular SP just has like Holly along the dugout behind him, like across State Farm. It's the super short print Candy King bet. But the Angels, Jonathan, nice one. Sure, that's going for a decent amount. Mr. Trout. There's Bo Bichette. Wilson. Metallic Kluber for the Rangers. Not bad. 3 short prints. One being super. Alright, give me this guy. These flaps. We got Garrett Cole and Yankees. Alright, see what we got. Mookie Betts. We get a metallic Trent Grisham. Is he a Padre on this one? He's a Padre on this. Got our hit here. It is gonna be Luis Castillo for the Reds. Todd. Piece of jersey there. Luis Castillo. There is hitless credit in this one, guys. We are doing hitless credit, so you'll get something, even though there's only 10 hits total. We'll send you something. Well, let's be honest, we're all in this to get candy canes and scarves and snowballs. Let's be honest. Devers metallic. There's a nice Nico. And Glaber. What's he got going on? Santa Belt. Big buckle. Big Santa Belt going out to the Yankees. Jonathan F. Luis Robert. That is a base Luis Robert. The metallic is Tim Anderson. Middle of the pack, just wanted to double check. Am I missing anybody? I think so. It's like a base pack. Yeah. A rare base pack. That's a metallic Sean Murphy for the A's. Another base pack, yeah. Metallic John Means. Yeah, I believe it's the 5th card in, so. And Dustin May. Santa hat for the Dodgers. Jonathan B. Nice rookie short print there. There you go. I'll have to recap all these short prints and everything too, of course. That's it for box number 2. On to box 3. Still want some ink. Where's my ink? Nolan Arenado. Congrats on that, Matt. You gotta be kidding me. That's some signing. Or trade at least. Changes the entire Central. One player. Mayfield is a base pack. Oh no, we got Aaron Judge with the candy cane right there. Super short print for the Yankees. Nice one. Candy cane armband Judge. Nice couple SPs for the Yankees. Glaber now Judge. Sometimes it's hard to catch, man. I think I'm doing it right though. Right before I logged on tonight, we got Kershaw, metallic of Rangel Ravello, Cardinals. There you go, Matt. Bob Nightingale, writer, said the Mets and Bauer have a deal, and he's a verified, right? He tweeted it out. And everyone's like, "Oh, we got him," and then everybody else is like, "There's no deal. He's literally wrong." It's like, come on, man. We're all texting, freaking out. Oh my god, we got Bauer. Yeah, not official yet. Appreciate the writing has been. I don't know if anybody else, but like, that's a metallic Matt Olson. The writing up for the Mets has just been so inaccurate. People just announcing stuff when it's not, taking it back. It's just been awful. I don't know what they're doing. We got our hit here. It's gonna be. Oh, look at that. We're duping up Eisen Diaz, huh? The ice skate. I mean, so who has got the ice skate so far? The only ones I've seen have been Nolan Arenado, and I feel like I've seen one more ice skate. I can't remember who it is though. Oh no, yeah, Nolan Arenado had it. Yeah, that's the one I'm thinking of. But I can't remember which other player had it. Metallic Jorge Polanco for the Twins. Got a short print of Josh Donaldson Twins. Little presents in the background there. Big stack of presents. Who are those Twins? Like a D. There you go. Luzardo. Lewis, metallic of Paul DeYoung, Cardinals. A couple of metallics for you, Matt. Double check these guys just because they're big names and they're facing forward. No, it's base pack. Alright, final pack of box 3. Charlie Blackmon with the metallic. Rockies. Alright, box 4. Nice Brendan McKay for the Rays. Metallic of Polanco for the Pirates. Make sure I'm not missing anybody. It's a base pack. Metallic of Randy Dobnak. What have we here? Trevor Story. He's on ice. No ice skates, but he's on ice. Going out to the Rockies. Metallic of D. Gordon, Mariners. Got our hit in this pack. Going out to the Cubbies, Ben Zobrist. Jersey piece. Sliding all over the place on that ice. He was just ranked the #1 shortstop in baseball, Trevor Story. I can't remember who. I don't know if it was MLB Network. Might have been MLB Network. They're the ones doing the 10s, but I saw that. He puts up the numbers, man. People get no love in Colorado. No love. That's Metallic Yachty. Luis Robert and Cody Bellinger for the Dodgers with the ornament hanging from the bat right down there. Yeah. I mean, technically, it's still a 2020. There were so many delays. So much of this stuff got pushed out. I mean, Topps Holiday, this released after Christmas, which was pretty wild. I literally didn't think they were going to release it. Jack Flaherty, Metallic. Well, they did. And we're here enjoying it in February. Here we go. Moncada, Posey. Should know these guys. As I'm throwing Posey around. Oh, it's all base pack. All right. On to box 5. Jesse, what's up? This one there, Yankees Aaron Judge. Jesse, I'll do a hit recap at the end, but I can't think of anything major for the Mariners yet. Maybe just a couple Kyle Lewis rookies as I was going through, but we're late. It happens. Aquino. We got a base pack here. Make sure I was Aquino. Aquino is a short print. What's going on with Aquino? Oh, he's got elf shoes. See the green? I love this stuff, man. Elf shoes. Got one on there. Who's got the Reds? It's sick. Todd, congrats. That's a great card. That's a great one. I haven't seen anything elf related though. Super short print. Metallic Barrios. Took me a minute to find what was going on the card. Donaldson. It's a base pack. There's Kyle Lewis. That's a metallic Danny Mendick for the White Sox. Come on, auto. Show me an auto. We got a relic. Who's in the back here? Nimmo, Bradley, Luzardo. Who's it gonna be? It's gonna be a Brave Austin Riley, blue jersey. Braves on the board, Frank C. You never know when there's going to be 2 hits in a box, though. That Santa suit from last break was a bonus hit in a box, so. Got Kyle Garlick, Metallic of Castellanos for the Reds. Got a SP here. Cody again. Second ornament. We've gotten a Cody Bellinger. Yeah, that's going to be interesting too. I agree. Felix in Baltimore. I don't know how well that's going to go. I feel like he's just about done. And signing with a poor team, I don't think is going to bode well for him. Personally. It's a shame because he was so dominant. Mercado Metallic. Nothing there. Base pack. Final pack of box 5. Metallic Polanco. Pirates. Alright, that's the halfway mark. Here we go. We'll see. Pete Alonso. Nuts. Alonso ornament. Alright, see what we got. Metallic of Chapman. Base pack. Nice Luis Robert. Metallic of Walker Buehler. What do we got here? Nolan Arenado. Scarf this time. Scarfing it up. I feel like Rockies do well with the short prints in this stuff. Between Story and Arenado, I feel like we keep pulling them. It's Trout. And the base pack, looking pretty base. Got a hit here. Glaber's in the back, Freed, Alzolay, Kim. What do we got? We got a Cubby, Jason Hayward. White jersey piece, game used memorabilia. Hoping to get something a little tougher of a pull. That's Kettle Marte, metallic. And Luzardo for the A's, throwing a snowball. Look at that, he's about to snap that snowball. I like Luzardo. I think he did really well this year. Always the case, right, Chris? Who'd you grab this time around? Rays? You got the Rays, Chris? Let's see. Base pack. Yes, base. It's spin rate on a snowball. Couldn't tell you. My experience, you really don't want to spin it at all. You want to just throw nothing but fastballs. Alright, 4 boxes left. Kershaw. Dodgers. Ugh. There would be nothing there by the time I got to the plate. Just disintegrate. Sam Hilliard metallic. Nice rookie one there. Judge again with the candy cane. 2 of the SSP for Judge. Metallic Nimmo. Am I missing anybody here? Base pack. It's a base pack. Metallic of Yelich for the Brewers. Another hit. Polanco. It is going to be Tigers. Miguel Cabrera jersey piece. Nice future Hall of Famer Miguel Cabrera for the Tigers. Metallic of Jackie Bradley. Short print Bregman for the Stros. What's he doing? He's got an ornament hanging from the baseball. That's what he's got going on. Houston, Todd. Todd picking up a couple SPs. Travis Demerit, metallic. I almost call it crystal. Final pack. Altuve. Make sure. No, not missing anything. Okay. All right, the final 3. Got bets for the Dodgers. Back-to-back Dodger ornaments. Bam. Alright, come on. Give us an auto. Give us a pack. Give us a Santa Claus, an elf, a Mrs. Claus. Base pack. Yeah. Big hits. Oh, shit. We got a metallic Nick Anderson for the Rays. got? We got a red Nick Senzel. Second Reds relic. Going out to Todd D. First one was Luis Castillo. And don't forget the elf shoes. Can't forget about the elf shoes. Metallic Kyle Tucker. SP Pete Alonso. What's he doing? He's got an ornament also hanging from the bat. There you go, Mets. Pistol Pete. Metallic Moustakis for the Red Legs. Base pack. Metallic Nick Senzel. Nothing going on there. Nice Robert on the front there. And we get a metallic Stanton. Alright, final two boxes. Saving the best for last. Chris Bryant, Cubbies, ornament. Bam. All card ship, don't forget, everything shipping. Oh, doubling up on the elf shoe. I love this card. What a double up. Dupe City on the elf shoe. It's a Gavin Lux metallic. That's a nice one for the Dodgers. It's John Birdie, yeah, base pack. Michael Chavez, metallic. We got a hit here. Who do we got? It's a bat. It's a Cub. It's Anthony Rizzo. Jonathan B. killing it. Chris H. not happy. Did you get them in the first 10 boxes? I remember pulling a bunch of ornaments for the Cubbies. I can't remember anything. Can't remember. Yeah, Cubbies are killing it right now. Metallic Bregman. And Miguel Cabrera. What's he got going on? Candy cane bat for the Tigers. And updating Sapphire mixer. It's a nice break. Excited for that one. Got Carter Kieboom metallic. Doing that one on Monday. Base pack. Metallic Dusted May. Alright, final box. And then I'll go through a bit recap. And we got a Juan Soto Nationals. Let's get some ink. Give me something. Let's end it strong. Here we go. SP Bo Bichette, nice. Santa hat Bo Bichette. Who had them? Danny V. Very nice. Bam. Clevenger. That's a Gavin Lux metallic. I think you got 2 of those. For sure. And we got ourselves our hit here. Is it anything special? Chris is gonna lose his mind. Who's that? Ian Happ? Ian Happ! I gotta count how many Cub relics. I'm gonna put all the Cub relics together at the end here. It's like the more he was getting upset in the chat, the better the chances of pulling Cubs was happening. I mean, the first 10 boxes we did, I think we pulled 4 Red Sox relics. Just happens. Marcell Ozuna, metallic. Yeah, see, 4 out of 10 for the Cubs. It was 4 out of 10 for the Red Sox last time. And now I don't think we have 1 Red Sox. We got a Garrett Cole, though, wearing a scarf for the Yankees. The Yankees did well in the SP department. They did well. We got a metallic Bregman. 4 packs left. I want to pull Santa Claus. I'm not going on his base. Metallic of Tatis. We got the ice skates of Arenado. There it is. Yeah, I remember the last name. You got it with the. Oh, I hope he likes it. It's definitely one of the cooler cards in the product. All right, final pack, and then I'll cruise to a hit recap. What do we got? We got Judge. Not doing much. Got a metallic Dustin May in that pack. Alright, let me move this base. Gonna move the base. Let me get the relics. Alright, there's your relics. Well, let me do it this way. Short print and then super short print. Let's do it that way. short prints. Those guys ready again there. Cool. So there's your short prints, and then these are your super short prints. Using those skates to St. Louis, yeah. You got it, Matt. All right, here we go. Hit recap for $10 holiday break. Pick your team number 2. These are just the regular SPs. We had Anthony Rendon, little candy cane armband, scarf of Eloy Jimenez, Santa belt, Gleyber Torres, Santa hat, Dustin May, Josh Donaldson with a bunch of gifts in the background. We got Trevor Story sliding on ice. We got 2 Cody Bellinger with the ornaments down there. You see him there. We got Nolan Arenado with the scarf, getting chilly in Colorado. He decided to come up to St. Louis. Snowball, snapping the snowball. There's Jesus Luzardo. I got an ornament there of Bregman. We got an ornament there of Pete Alonso. Candy cane bat of Miggy. Santa hat of Bo Bichette. And Garrett Cole in the scarf. Super short prints. We got Nolan Arenado skating his way to St. Louis. He's doing a lot of things in St. Louis. We got a candy cane bat of Trout. 2 Judge candy cane armbands there. And 2 Aquino elf shoes. Sneaking onto the card there. The elf shoes. And we did pull 10 hits. They were all relics. We had 4 for the Cubbies. We had Ben Zobrist, Jason Hayward, Ian Happ, and Anthony Rizzo. And then we had for the Tigers, Miguel Cabrera, Austin Riley for the Braves. We did dupe up on the Eisen Diaz's. 2 orange jerseys there. And then the Reds got 2 hits with Luis Castillo and Nick Senzel. That's going to do it for the break, guys. Monday, Topps Chrome Update, Mega and Sapphire Mixer. 10 Chrome Update boxes and 2 Sapphire boxes. It's going to be a lot of fun. And by tomorrow, I promise you, Series 1, 3 jumbo cases on the site. 3 jumbo cases, all card chip in Series 1. So just be on the lookout for that as well. And that's it for the break, guys. Appreciate it.